Hi everyone, how are you all? Welcome back. Hope you all are doing good these days. Here you can see my struggle with the cabbage. Sharing today with you all are my two recipes. One is cabbage pakora and another is spring roll made in Actifryer, that is air fryer. So hope you all enjoy it. Keep watching. You may shred the cabbage using any shredder. Here I am using a cleaver as I found this is an easy way of chopping it. Now to make cabbage pakora, to a 2 cups of shredded cabbage add salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder, ginger garlic paste, garam masala, coriander powder, hot sauce, soya sauce. Then add 2 tablespoons of vinegar and mix it well. After mixing the spices well, add half a cup of gram flour and 1/4 cup of corn flour and 1/4 cup of rice flour. To give crispiness, add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Do not add water here as the cabbage releases the moisture. You may add some more flour to the mixture depending on the thickness of it. You may make a small balls and freeze them for a while before frying, or if your mixture is thick, you can fry them in a heated oil directly. After frying them for 2 minutes, then flip them over so that the other side gets cooked well. Cook them until they are golden brown and enjoy them with a cup of tea or hot coffee. Coming to my second recipe of making a spring roll, I am using an Actifryer here. This Actifryer was in hibernation for almost 3 years. I haven't used it since I shifted to this house, so thought of starting to use it again, and as Ramadan is also approaching, why not shift for healthy cooking? To make vegetable spring roll filling, I have heated oil in a pan. To it added ginger garlic paste and then added chopped onions. Saute them until they are golden brown and then add chopped capsicum to it. Stir them on a high flame, then add 1 cup of shredded cabbage, then I added 1 cup of mixed frozen vegetables. You can add vegetables of your own choice. After stirring them on a high flame for a few minutes, then added the spices. First salt, then black pepper powder. Then added some soya sauce and hot sauce. Stir them for a few minutes and that's done. The filling is ready. For the roll, I am using the Sunbulla pastry sheets. You need to defrost them 30 minutes before you use it. Place the sheet diagonally and put the filling inside. Make sure the filling is cooled down. Then roll it as shown. Then seal the roll with the flour glue. To make this paste, I took 1 tablespoon of flour. To it added 2 tablespoons of water. Most important thing while making a spring roll is do not overfill it and wrap the roll tightly. This is the Tefal Actifryer. I had bought it almost 4 years ago. Now there are new updated models in the market. So this is basically an electrical gadget that circulates superheated air around your food and cooks them without using much oil, which makes it a healthy way of cooking. So rather than submerging the whole food in the oil, use a tablespoon and then the food is done. There's a surge in popularity of these air fryers nowadays. This metal mesh you are seeing is used for double layered cooking, and by pressing this green button you can remove this bowl handle which makes it easier for washing. Here I am applying the oil at the base before placing the spring rolls in the fryer. Then brush the oil over the top of the spring rolls. Here I have placed only 5 rolls in the fryer. Rest of the 3 I will be frying them in a regular pan to show you the difference between these two methods of cooking. Initially I placed the timer for 4 minutes as I was using it after a very long time. I want to make sure that the rolls are not burnt. So after 4 minutes I flipped them over and then placed it for 15 minutes. On the other hand, I was cooking in the same way by applying oil over the spring rolls and cooking them in a fry pan. Here in Actifryer, after 6 minutes, again I pause the timer to flip over the spring rolls. Then continue the cooking until it's done. Here the fry pan rolls were being cooked in a crispier way, but not evenly. After 20 minutes, air fryer rolls are ready too. They looked evenly cooked and crispier. In this picture, you can clearly differentiate which are the fried ones. Yes, the air fryer is definitely a healthy way of cooking as it cuts down 70 to 80% of our calories and has less fat. But keep in mind, everything in excess is still a problem. With that note, I end the video here. Hope you all enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you in another vlog. Till then, stay safe, take care and thanks for watching.